Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the structure of microspore which are formed in after meiotic division in the pollen mother cell. In previous video we have discussed that pollen mother cell are formed after reduction division or meiotic division. It is developed into microspore. Okay, so this microspore or pollen grain which is formed after meiotic division, it is small tiny structure, globular in shape, round in shape. It has two layers, inner intine and outer exine. Inner intine layer is continuous but outer exine layer is discontinuous. It is simply the structure. This outer layer, this one is exine and inner layer is intine. This one is intine and this is exine. Inside this 60% approx angiospermic plant, this spore is pollinated at two cell stage. Two cell stage means it has two nucleus, tube nucleus and generative nucleus. So this one is tube nucleus and this is generative nucleus. And the cell which surround the tube nucleus is known as tube cell, and cell plasma membrane or the membrane which surround the generative nucleus is known as generative cell. Okay, the space which are present between these layer, as I told you that exine is not continuous. It has some spores, or sorry, it has some spaces or pores. These pores are known as germ pore. Okay, and so it is simply the structure of spores. If we talk about exine is made up of sporopollen. Sporopollen is the hardest substance which are present on the earth. No enzyme can digest it. So pollen can be preserved as a fossil for a long time. Okay, and intine is continuous layer. Tube nucleus, in future tube nucleus will form the pollen tube, and generative nucleus divide to form two male gamete. It forms two male gamete. Okay, so this is the structure of pollen microspore. Microspore also possesses yellow sticky substance present over here. Pollen kit. Yellow sticky substance is pollen kit. It is pollen kit. Pollen kit is simply helps the pollen grain to attach or stick to the agent of pollination. Whatever the agent of pollination is there, animals, mollusca, birds, insects. These, with the help of this pollen kit, spores just get stick to the body of the insect or animal or mollusca or whatever the agent are there. Okay, so it is a simple structure of microspore. Pollen mother cell after reduction division form microspore. Microspore has following structure. It has intine, it means inner layer, and exine, outer layer. Exine is hard and very tough in nature. No enzyme can digest it. So it is simply made up of sporopollen. Due to this, pollen can be preserved as a fossil for a long time. And and exine is not continuous. It has some pores. These pores are known as germ pore. Inside the intine, two nucleus are there. One is tube nucleus and another is generative nucleus. The membrane which surround the tube nucleus is known as tube cell, and membrane which surround the tube generative nucleus is formed the generative cells. Pollen tube later develop into tube nucleus later develop into pollen tube. It helps in germination of pollen tube, and generative nucleus later divide to form two male gamete. Exine contains yellow sticky substance known as pollen kit, which helps the pollen grain to adhere, or we can say that stick to the another agent of pollination. Okay. Next is germination. Germination is simple. Exine is tough, and it is discontinuous. So from here there's a pollen tube like structure developed. This membrane get dissolved and this membrane is extended and it form tube like structure. This structure is known as pollen tube. Tube nucleus present over here in the front. It helps in the development of pollen tube, enlargement of the pollen tube, and the generative nucleus which are there, it divide to form two male gamete, and two male gametes are present over here. This is two male gamete, and in front is there is a tube nucleus. It gradually extend. It helps in development of the pollen tube nucleus, and whatever the cytoplasm content is here, it just pass into this tube pollen tube. Okay, so as such the germination takes place. After germination starts when this pollen grain reaches to the stigma. Until or unless it will not germinate. When this pollen grain after pollination reaches to the stigma, then this development of pollen tube, or we can say that germination gets started. Okay, so germination is get started only when the pollen grains reaches to the stigma, and after reaching here, pollen pistil interaction is there, that we'll discuss it later. Pollen pistil interaction is there, and after interaction, when it stigma identify the pollen grain, then the germination occur, and after germination this develop into tube nucleus or pollen tube. Okay, next video it is all about development of male gamete. Earlier I have explained you that it is surrounded by just a four lobe structure. Four lobe structure is simply, this is simply the four lobe structure, and four lobe structure is some of the cell become conspicuous and act as archisporal cell, develop into parietal and sporogenous cell. Parietal cells form the outer four boundary or wall, and the inner sporogenous cell directly act as a pollen mother cell, which after meiotic division develop into microspore. We will discuss. We have discussed about the development of structure of microspore. Microspore is simply consists of entine and exine, and consists of tube nucleus and pollen kit. In some angiospermic plant, the pollen grain transfer as two cell stage, means tube cell and generative cell. But in some angiospermic plant, it is transferred at three cell stage. Three cell stage means generative nucleus again divide to form two male gamete, and three cell stage are there. One tube nucleus and two is male gamete. So these simply the structure of pollen grain, and germination from the germ pore. Extension is get started. Whatever the cytoplasm is there, it flows into the pollen tube. Pollen tube consists of tube nucleus and two male gamete, which later develops into the pollen tube. Okay, germination of pollen grain starts only when the pollen grain reaches to the stigma. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about development of female gametophyte. If you have any query, then please ask me. Make proper notes. In next video we will talk about the next topic. Thank you, class.